Reseating the RAM in an Optiplex 780 desktop. Pretty simple process. Pull back on the release lever, which opens the side panel. Remove the side panel, then we need to place the computer on its side so that we have some leverage when we go to reseat these RAM chips. You need to remove the optical drive, which is easy. Just lift up on this and it can slide towards the back. Lift it up and kind of just move it out of the way. You can see the RAM chips here. There are 4 of them in this machine. They've got release levers, black and white release levers on each end. Typically, to reseat, all you need to do is push these release levers down on each side and push them down until they click. Sometimes they don't click. Oh, that one. Got it. Okay, to replace the optical drive, line these 2 screws up with the slots over here, and there's 1 slot on this side, and just slide it forward. To replace the side panel, there are 2 tab holes on the bottom. Line those up with the tabs on the bottom of the machine, and done.